Welcome to Question Bank with Manisha ma'am. Today we are going to continue from question 51 to 100 to test your knowledge about the historic Quit India movement of 1942. In the part 1 of this video we have covered question 1 to 50. You will get the link at the end of the video. You will get 15 minutes to answer all 50 questions. Are you ready to take the challenge? You'll get just 5 seconds to answer each question, and trust me, that's why 99% of people fail this challenge. Are you ready? Let's begin. Which youth leader was jailed during Quit India and later became Prime Minister of India? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shastri actively participated in Quit India and was imprisoned. Which famous freedom fighter died in detention during Quit India? Answer is Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi died in 1944 at Aga Khan Palace while detained. Who succeeded Lord Linlithgow as Viceroy in 1943 during Quit India? Answer is Lord Wavell. Lord Wavell became Viceroy in 1943 and continued harsh policies. Which state saw parallel governments during Quit India? Answer is Maharashtra. Parallel governments were formed in Satara and other districts. Who led the Prati Sarkar parallel government in Satara? Answer is Nana Patil. Nana Patil led the underground government in Satara, Maharashtra. Which leader from Bihar became famous for his underground activities in 1942? Answer is J.P. Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan escaped jail and led underground resistance. Which leader organized underground resistance in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Chittu Pandey. Chittu Pandey led the movement in Balia, UP, and was called Sherabilia. Which leader was known as Sherabilia during Quit India? Answer is Chittu Pandey. For his courage in Balia, UP, Chittu Pandey got the title Sherabilia. Which place became the center of underground Congress radio? Answer is Bombay. Usha Mehta ran Congress radio secretly from Bombay. Who called the Quit India movement anarchical and lawless? Answer is Winston Churchill. Churchill criticized the movement with these words. Which famous socialist leader escaped from Hazaribagh jail in 1942? Answer is J.P. Narayan. J.P. Narayan escaped from Hazaribagh jail and continued underground struggle. Which leader played a major underground role in UP and Bihar along with J.P. Narayan? Answer is Ram Manohar Lohia. Lohia was an important socialist leader active in underground resistance. Who was the governor of Bombay during Quit India movement? Answer is Sir Roger Lumley. Sir Roger Lumley handled the Quit India uprising in Bombay Presidency. Which women's organization supported Quit India? Answer is Desh Sevika Sangh. Women's groups like Desh Sevika Sangh actively supported the movement. Which Indian community played a strong role in Quit India protests in Assam? Answer is tea garden workers. Tea plantation workers in Assam actively joined the struggle. Who was called the Grand Old Man of Quit India for his role despite old age? Answer is Gandhi. Gandhi, even at 73, led the Quit India struggle with determination. Which jail was Gandhi released from in 1944 due to poor health? Answer is Aga Khan Palace. Gandhi was released from Aga Khan Palace in 1944 due to illness. Who died in 1942 in British firing on Quit India protest in Patna? Answer is 7 students, martyrs of Patna. In Patna, 7 young students were killed in police firing during protests. Which leader called Quit India Gandhi's blunder? Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar criticized Gandhi's timing of the movement during World War II. Which famous poet supported Quit India through patriotic songs? Answer is Qazi Nazrul Islam. His revolutionary songs inspired youth during Quit India. Which leader linked Quit India with the demand for Pakistan? Answer is Jinnah. Jinnah used Quit India to push his demand for Pakistan separately. What was the attitude of the Communist Party of India towards Quit India? Answer is opposed it. CPI opposed Quit India as they supported the British during World War II after Germany attacked USSR. How many Congress leaders were arrested within 24 hours of Quit India launch? Answer is over 20,000. More than 20,000 leaders and activists were jailed within a day. Which famous Congress leader was released early due to illness during Quit India? Answer is Gandhi. Gandhi was released in 1944 for health reasons. What was the ultimate outcome of Quit India movement? Answer is strengthened demand for independence. Though suppressed, Quit India convinced Britain they could not rule India long. So far so good. If you're finding this quiz interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting and educational quizzes. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more fun learning videos. Which socialist leader worked closely with J.P. Narayan in 1942? Answer is Ram Manohar Lohia. Lohia joined J.P. Narayan in leading underground resistance. What role did students play in Quit India movement? Answer is active protests and strikes. Students organized strikes, rallies, and underground activities. Which Congress leader was imprisoned at Ahmednagar Fort during Quit India? Answer is Nehru. Nehru was jailed at Ahmednagar Fort along with other leaders. Who wrote the book India's Struggle for Freedom after being jailed in Quit India? Answer is Nehru. Nehru wrote from Ahmednagar Fort, reflecting on India's struggle. Which leader gave the slogan Quit India before 1942? Answer is Yusuf Mehrali. Yusuf Mehrali coined Quit India, which Gandhi popularized. What was the role of trade unions during Quit India? Answer is supported it with strikes. Many trade unions joined with strikes to paralyze industries. Which group set up secret parallel government in Tamluk in Bengal? Answer is Congress activists. A parallel government was formed in Tamluk under Congress leadership. Who led the Tamluk in Bengal Parallel government. Answer is Satish Samantha. He led the Tamralipta Jatiya Sarkar in Bengal. Which leader of Maharashtra organized People's Court in parallel government? Answer is Nana Patil. Nana Patil established People's Courts in Satara. Who was the American president during Quit India movement? Answer is Roosevelt. Franklin D. Roosevelt was US president and pressured Britain to talk to India. Which British MP criticized repression of Quit India in Parliament? Answer is Clement Attlee. Attlee criticized harsh repression and later became PM who gave India independence. Which slogan became the spirit of 1942 movement? Answer is Do or Die. Gandhi's slogan, Do or Die, became symbolic of the struggle. How did the press react to Quit India movement? Answer is censored and banned. The British imposed strict censorship, banning nationalist press. Which party opposed Quit India most strongly? Answer is Communist Party of India. CPI opposed because USSR allied with Britain in World War II. Who led Quit India activities in Madras, today's Chennai? Answer is K. Kamraj. K. Kamraj was arrested for his role in Tamil Nadu protests. Which student organization played a role in Quit India? Answer is All India Students Federation. Many student groups under AISF actively participated. Who was the finance member of Viceroy's Council that opposed Quit India? Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar opposed the movement and stayed in the Viceroy's Council. What was the reaction of Muslim League to Quit India? Answer is opposed it. Muslim League opposed as they were focused on Pakistan demand. Who among the following did underground broadcasting during Quit India? Answer is Usha Mehta. Usha Mehta ran the secret Congress radio. Which major world event overlapped with Quit India? Answer is World War II. Quit India was launched in the middle of World War II from 1939 to 1945. Which famous slogan was not connected to Quit India movement? Answer is Swaraj is my birthright. Swaraj is my birthright was Bal Gangadhar Tilak's slogan, not Quit India's. Which year did Quit India movement lose momentum? Answer is 1944. By 1944, the movement weakened due to arrests and repression. Who became PM of Britain after World War II and gave independence to India? Answer is Clement Attlee. Attlee became PM in 1945 and decided to end British rule in India. What did the Quit India movement prove? Answer is Indians were determined for freedom. Despite repression, it showed unity and strong will for independence. Why is Quit India movement called the final struggle? Answer is it was the last mass movement before independence. Quit India was the last mass struggle. After it, independence came in 1947. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I'm sure you learned something new and exciting today. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing science, SST, and general knowledge videos. Want to keep learning? Just click the link on your screen and explore more fun quizzes and lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.